Josh from Actisense here, bringing you a short video on the basics of building your NMEA 2000 network and the solutions we can provide. So when it comes to NMEA 2000 networks, first of all, it's important that we understand the minimum system requirements. The minimum requirements are 2 terminators, a power supply or a battery, and 2 certified NMEA 2000 devices present on the network. The Actisense starter kits provide a simple, all-in-one solution which allow for future network expansion on all of the kits. All of the kits follow NMEA 2000 and DeviceNet standards, and they provide everything you need to create a basic network. The latest addition to the Actisense starter kit range is A2K Kit 4A, which consists of an MPT2 power cable, 2 T-pieces, a 4-meter cable, and 2 smart terminators. Our smart universal terminator has the capability to operate as both an end or an inline terminator. The main difference between this and a standard terminator is the voltage indication LED found within the product. This LED allows you to easily see if your network has sufficient power depending on if the LED is red or green. An alternative to the Actisense starter kits is the Actisense self-contained boat networks. We offer 2 variants of this, the SBN1, which supports 4 NMEA 2000 certified devices, and the SBN2, which supports 8. The main benefit of the SBN is that it is a plug-and-play out-of-the-box solution. The only thing worth highlighting here is that they are not capable of being expanded. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website, or alternatively, please email us at sales@actisense.com.